Jose, tell me about James's breathing treatments.
James is eating fun while having his breathing treatments in his height, sir.
Well, does he get, what drug does he get first?
Let me give an interview of this.
Is that albuterol? What is it, Joe?
It's albuterol.
And what does that one do?
It dilates the bronchi.
And then which one does he get next? What's that one? And what does that one do?
Soothes the bronchi.
That's right. And there's, what else is in that cart? Show me all the other stuff in the cart.
And this.
Is that saline?
Yeah.
Okay. What else is there?
HMPs.
Yeah.
Paper towel.
Or yeah, some Kleenex.
Oh. And you see here, here is the cat finder that we use.
Okay.
And here are the clippers.
Oh, and there's an air compressor on the bottom, right?
Yeah, I already know that.
Yeah, and there's a big long extension cord.
And then small of this thing.
Yeah. And the cart is from IKEA, right?
Yeah, and this.
Oh, the Xbox remote. That's super important. And then, would you show them how we hook the nebulizing cup on the edge so it doesn't tip over and it stays upright? Like so. And would you demonstrate that the cart can roll? Excellent! Would you give James his Pulmicort? He's actually due for Pulmicort right now.
Oh, sure. New one?
Yeah, new Pulmicort.
This one?
Yes, that one is Pulmicort. Well, I meant like put it in the nebulizer, not just give it to him.
Wait. How
Well, you pop the top. Zoop, doop, 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 doop. Okay.
Can you get the bottom off and then
Can you hold that? Wait, I'm still on videotaping, so wait. Wait.
Good. Spit it out, Mom.
Make sure you tell your viewers at home, do not open nebulizing vials with your teeth.
It's done, Mom.
Good job. Okay. Now lid goes back on.
I don't know how it goes.
It just kind of pops on. Did Jamie sometimes take Toby?
Yeah.
What does Toby do?
It.
We gotta punch that Pseudomonas, right?
Yeah, it does that.
Yeah.
And then.
What are you doing? But that second shelf was for the clickers. Okay, James. Would you tell me about your neb treatments?
Yeah.
James. That's right, you do your breathing treatments.
That's to do it.
You dilate the bronchis. And then you soothe the bronchis. And then you get that Pseudomonas. Punch the Pseudomonas, Jamie.
Can I do a
What? Pulmicort. Oh yeah, do a dance.